notion of South Africa should ban deep sea mining. But first, I would love to do my rebuttals for the first speaker of the proposition team. You have said that scientists have estimated that the ocean has not been explored. Well, deep sea mining can help us discover new ecosystems and biodiversity. We should not ban deep sea mining because it creates jobs and economic growth. With deep sea mining, it can create and stimulate economic growth in coastal communities. It is expected to create over 10,000 jobs globally by 2030. So if we do ban such activities, jobs will be lost and it will decrease the economic growth. Deep sea mining can provide